I'll show you the easiest way to track time used in Basecamp. Whether you're managing a team or simply trying to keep track of your own projects, knowing how to efficiently track time can really streamline your workflow. Let's dive right into it. First, open up your web browser and head over to the Basecamp website. Simply type in basecamp.com into the address bar and hit enter. Once the page loads, you'll be prompted to log in if you haven't already. Make sure you have your credentials handy to avoid any delays. This is your launching pad for all things related to project management with Basecamp. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top of the page. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Basecamp. Click on this drop-down. This menu is your gateway to all the features and tools that Basecamp offers. It's designed to keep everything you need within easy reach so you can manage your projects efficiently. After clicking the Basecamp drop-down, look for the Reports option. You'll want to click on the Reports section, which provides you with a comprehensive overview of various project metrics. Reports are incredibly useful for visualizing how time and resources are being allocated across different tasks and projects. Now, within the Reports section, you have the ability to drill down into specific assignments. Find an assignment that you're interested in tracking and click on it. This is where things get specific. By selecting an assignment, you can see detailed information about the time spent on that particular task. It's a great way to ensure that everything is on track and to identify any areas where adjustments might be needed. These steps provide a streamlined method to track time and enhance productivity within Basecamp. By regularly checking reports, you can gain valuable insights into how your team or personal projects are progressing. It's all about making sure that every minute spent is accounted for and used wisely. For those who might be new to Basecamp or need a quick refresher, remember that this platform is all about project management with simplicity, and tracking time is a key part of that process. Whether you're juggling multiple projects or focusing on a single task, knowing how to navigate the time tracking features is essential. As a tip, consider setting a routine to regularly review these reports. Depending on your project needs, you might want to check daily, weekly, or monthly. Regular reviews can help you spot trends and make informed decisions about resource allocation and project timelines. And there you have it. You now know how to track time used in Basecamp effectively. With this knowledge, you're equipped to manage your projects with greater precision and efficiency. Don't forget to explore other features in Basecamp to further enhance your project management skills. Thanks for watching and happy tracking.